When hurricane flooding hits New Orleans, many homeowners focus on removing water and drying out their homes. But one of the biggest dangers often starts after the flooding is gone: mold growth. In Louisiana's heat and humidity, mold can begin growing within just 24 to 48 hours after water damage. And once it starts spreading behind walls, under flooring, or inside air conditioning systems, it can quickly become a serious problem. One of the first things homeowners should do after flooding is remove any standing water as quickly as possible. Fans and dehumidifiers can help dry the home, but drying visible surfaces alone may not stop hidden moisture from remaining inside walls and insulation. Another warning sign is a strong, musty smell. Many people think the smell will eventually disappear, but that odor is often a sign that mold is already growing in hidden areas. One homeowner, Fletcher, said after working with Big Easy Environmental Services, "My house smells way fresher, and the sneezing has finally stopped." You may also notice allergy-like symptoms: coughing, headaches, sinus irritation, or worsening asthma symptoms after water damage. Mold exposure can affect indoor air quality and may become especially concerning for children, seniors, or people with respiratory conditions. One common mistake homeowners make is trying to clean everything with bleach alone. While bleach may help on some hard surfaces, it usually does not solve deeper mold problems caused by hurricane flooding. Professional mold remediation focuses on identifying hidden moisture, containing affected areas, improving air quality, and preventing mold from continuing to spread throughout the property. Todd from Big Easy Environmental Services is known for helping homeowners understand the process step by step. Paige Holtgreave shared, "Todd explained the entire process and was extremely easy to work with. In a city like New Orleans, where hurricanes, flooding, and humidity are part of life, acting quickly after water damage is extremely important. If you suspect mold after flooding or storm damage, Big Easy Environmental provides professional mold remediation and environmental testing services throughout the New Orleans area."